Good morning, Emily. How are you today?
Good morning, Ms. Johnson. I'm feeling frustrated, to be honest. I can speak English, but I make so many mistakes. It's disheartening because I want to communicate effectively.
I understand how you feel, Emily. Making mistakes is a natural part of language learning. The important thing is to learn from them and keep practicing. We can work together to improve your speaking skills.
That would be great, Ms. Johnson. I really want to overcome this challenge. How can I start minimizing the number of mistakes I make while speaking?
Well, Emily, one effective approach is to focus on accuracy during your practice sessions. Start by speaking slowly and deliberately, paying attention to the grammar and vocabulary you use. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase your speaking speed while maintaining accuracy.
That's a good point, Ms. Johnson. I'll make a conscious effort to speak more slowly and carefully. But what if I'm not sure about the correct grammar or word choice?
It's completely normal to have doubts about grammar or vocabulary, Emily. In such cases, don't hesitate to ask for help. Consult your English textbooks, grammar guides, or even online resources to clarify any doubts you may have. Additionally, you can keep a list of common mistakes you make and review them regularly to reinforce your understanding.
That's a great idea, Ms. Johnson. Keeping a list of my mistakes and reviewing them will definitely help. Are there any specific techniques or exercises I can use to improve my accuracy?
Certainly. One technique you can try is called shadowing. It involves listening to a native English speaker, such as a podcast or audio recording, and repeating what you hear, imitating the pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. This exercise can help you internalize correct structures and improve your overall accuracy.
That sounds interesting, Ms. Johnson. I'll definitely give shadowing a try. But what about speaking in real-life situations? I tend to get nervous and make more mistakes.
Nervousness can indeed impact your speaking performance, Emily. To build your confidence, I suggest engaging in role plays or simulations where you can practice specific situations. This way, you can become more comfortable with real-life scenarios and gradually reduce the number of mistakes you make.
That's a great suggestion, Ms. Johnson. Role plays will help me gain confidence in different situations. Are there any resources or websites you recommend for practicing speaking skills?
Absolutely. There are several online platforms that offer speaking practice and feedback. Websites like Italki, Conversation Exchange, and Cambly provide opportunities to have conversations with native English speakers or language partners. You can also consider joining language exchange groups on social media platforms to practice speaking with fellow learners.
Those resources sound helpful, Ms. Johnson. I'll explore them and start practicing with native speakers and fellow learners. Thank you for your guidance and support.
You're welcome, Emily. I'm glad I could help. Remember, making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Embrace them as opportunities to grow and improve. Keep practicing, and you'll see progress over time. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance whenever you need it.
Thank you, Ms. Johnson. I appreciate your encouragement. I'll continue practicing and asking for help when needed.
That's the spirit, Emily. I believe in your abilities, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Keep up the good work, and I'm confident you'll become more confident and accurate in your English speaking skills.
Thank you, Ms. Johnson. I'll do.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.